This is week 2 of walking through your entire microeconomics class, and today we're going to be digging into marginal analysis, specifically when to know when to stop consuming or producing. So you'll typically see examples like this one right here, where you got a table of units of output and the marginal benefit and marginal cost. You will stop outputting units or consuming units, whatever one the scenario is, when marginal benefit equals marginal cost. That occurs in this scenario right here, meaning that we will output, in this case, 2 units. Because at that point, we're maximizing our profits. Let's look before and after 2 units to understand how. Our first unit adds $30 worth of benefit to us, and it only costs an additional $10 to produce. Now, while this $20 of added benefit is nice, it means that there's some profit left to be had. In other words, we should produce more because we're missing out on potential profits. When we produce 2 units, we're essentially maximizing those profits because we benefit an additional $25 and it costs us an additional $25. So there's $0 worth of difference here between that added benefit and cost of the second unit. And then we see this third unit is essentially producing more than we should because we achieve $18 of added benefit, but it's costing us an additional $50. In other words, we're losing out on $32 by producing that third unit and should restrict our output. See how we profit maximize when we find that point at which marginal benefit equals marginal cost? That's the key of cost benefit analysis. You stop producing output or stop consuming units once that point is reached. Because if you go beyond it, you're taking a loss, and if you stop before it, you're missing out on potential profit. Real quick here, before we move on to doing this in a total cost and total benefit table format, if you've got a quiz coming up or just need me to walk you through this entire class, go on my website and check out my microeconomics cram kit. It takes about 2 hours to get through all 95 of my concept breakdowns that have a video of me step by step walking you through just about every concept you need to know for microeconomics. And it's completely free for you to access these, so make sure to check that out if that'd be of help. All right, now what if you're faced with a problem like this where instead of given the marginal benefit and cost values, you're given total benefit and total cost values? Well, we need to calculate the marginal values for each of these rows, and here's how we do that. All right, the first row is just the value itself because we're starting at 0. Now the second row here, we're going to take the new minus old to discern that the second unit adds $5 of benefit and $3 of cost. I'm just taking 15 minus 10 and 8 minus 5 here. We're going to do the same exact thing for 3 units. 18 minus 15 is 3, aka $3 of marginal benefit, and 11 minus 8 is 3, aka $3 of marginal cost. Now given this, how many units should we output? Well, remember, marginal benefit needs to equal marginal cost, and that occurs right here at 3 units. And therefore, at that point, we are profit maximizing, and we should stop producing output, because at every unit before it, we're missing out on potential gain.